Chocolate mint brownies are one of the first family heirloom recipes I converted to gluten-free when my kids were diagnosed with celiac disease, as they are a Christmas tradition in our home. We're going to start by making the brownie layer. This is a 4-ounce box of chocolate and the recipe calls for 2 ounces, so we're using half the bar. We're going to melt this chocolate along with the butter in the microwave. Melting it in the microwave keeps it from getting too hot, so we can add it to our other ingredients sooner. We're going to start by adding the sugar and the eggs to the mixing bowl and mixing that until it's thick. Then add your chocolate, your flour, and your xanthan gum. This is going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. While that's baking, we're going to soften our butter in the microwave for our mint cream filling, and then add it along with our remaining ingredients to a mixing bowl. Then set your mint cream filling aside and allow your brownies to completely cool. While they're cooling, we're going to make our glaze. We're going to use an entire 4-ounce box of semisweet chocolate that I've broken into pieces, and we're going to melt that in the microwave 3 minutes, about 3 power. Then you can top your brownies with the mint cream filling. Then add your vanilla to your melted chocolate. And drizzle this over the brownies. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and be sure to check out Holiday Jam Bars for another Christmas favorite.